Hi guys, welcome back to the series. If you've been following the journey, you know that this isn't just another trading show. My name is Alexander. I'm a professional trader with over 6 years of experience, and this is episode 3 of our challenge, where I started with just $5 and trade using real money, real strategies, and full transparency. In the last episode, things didn't go as planned. We ended the session with a loss, dropping from $575 down to $421. But that's trading. It's not always smooth, but it's how you respond after a setback that defines your long-term success. Today, we continue exactly from that point, $421 on the balance, and the goal is clear. Recover, stay focused, and finish the session in profit. As always, I will be using one of my core tools, the MACD indicator, and walking you through every trade live without filters or shortcuts. And don't forget, if you want access to my daily signals, trading sessions, and copy trading tools, my Telegram channel is where everything happens. We are already more than 54k traders strong, and you are welcome to join. The link is right below in the description. So let's open the charts and get to work. Today we're going for the comeback. So starting a new trading block, I'm carefully analyzing the market again. I want to make sure the next trade is based on a clear signal, not emotion. MACD is starting to form a crossover from above. It looks decent, some small fluctuations, but the signal is almost ready. Signal confirmed, and yeah, MACD shows a clear crossover. I think I am entering a 1 minute, as always I do a 1 minute, but now down trade. Yeah, I always go for 1 minute on my streams also, you know it. The price starts moving slightly down, but not confidently. Holding the position for now, things can still shift. Suddenly the price reverses upward. The chart shows instability. The signal turned out to be false. Final seconds, unfortunately the price stayed above the entry point. Trade closed in loss. This happens, guys. Let's move on. My stakes are part of the process, and I'm not giving up. Watching closely, taking my time. I need a clear, clean signal. That's the foundation, guys. And here it is. MACD shows another downward crossover. This time it looks much stronger, and I am entering this trade. So trade placed downward, price is a bit jumpy, but the signal is strong and I'm staying calm and focused. So price suddenly bounces upward, an unexpected move against us. It happens. Final seconds, guys. Unfortunately, that's 2 losses in a row. It happens. It's tough, but it's important to take losses very calmly. 2 losses in a row, that signal to be even more careful, guys. So switching to a different asset, to a different stuff. Deep breath. Refocus and full attention to details. I see the start of a strong upward signal. MACD crosses from below, clear and stable. I am entering a 1 minute up trade. Time to bounce back. So trade is placed, price immediately moves upward. That's just perfect. Looks like we found a great entry point, and price continues rising steadily halfway through, and everything looks very promising. So final seconds, movement stays strong, and the trade closes with solid profit. There we go, guys. Comeback achieved. Now we keep pushing stronger. Feeling focused and ready, we move on. I'm scanning for the next confidence signal, and after comeback, it's crucial to keep momentum. MACD shows a great crossover from below, clean, very stable signal. Entering a 1 minute up trade. Trade opened, and the price starts rising immediately. Excellent entry. The market is clearly on our side today, guys. Price continues moving upward with confidence. Everything looks stable. Indicators confirm the direction. Final seconds of the trade. Price is clearly above entry. Another winning trade, guys. We are on a roll. That's good. This is how a precise approach works, guys. No rushing. Moving on to the next asset. Checking MACD and watching price behavior, and waiting for a very clean entry. So there it is. MACD forms a crossover from above. I see confirmation in the chart. and entering a down trade, everything by the system. Price moves downward right from the start. This is very fantastic beginning, and the wait paid off. So halfway through, signal remains valid, trend looks solid, and everything going according to the plan. And once again, the trade closes in profit. We are building a winning streak, great execution. It's another win added to the stack. Feeling energized, I'm watching for a third perfect opportunity in a row. Full focus on the chart. So MACD delivers again, crossover from below, price shows strong upward movement, entering a 1-minute up trade. Price climbs immediately after our entry. This is one of those trades where everything aligns perfectly. Trend looks very stable, to be honest. Indicator confirms it. Halfway through and everything is holding strong. Final seconds of the trade, another confident win. Yeah, 3 straight profits in a row, guys. That's amazing. 3 out of 3. What a strong way to end the session. What a session. We started today with 421, and after a few setbacks in the beginning, we managed to bounce back hard. Trade by trade with focus and discipline, we turned that into a final balance of $2,935. That's the power of clear strategy and professional risk management. No chasing losses, no emotional decisions, just sticking to the plan and executing it with precision. But we're not stopping here. In the next episode, we will continue from $2,935 and see how far we can go. Bigger balance means bigger responsibility and even more precise decisions ahead. So if you have enjoyed this comeback and want to keep following the challenge, subscribe right now so you don't miss what's next. And of course, if you want access to my live signals, real-time trades, and trading tips, join my Telegram channel where over 54,000 traders are already learning and earning together. The link is right below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. The journey continues.